10 Copy and paste jobs online without investment. Want to make money as a freelancer? Copy-paste job is one of the most incredible options to help you make ample money. But how? What exactly are copy-paste jobs? Where can we apply for these jobs? This video will let you know everything you need to know about copy-paste jobs. You just need to watch the video up to the end to get informed. Copy-paste jobs are the most preferred and sought jobs for one apparent reason. Do you know it? Anyone can dive into the stream of business without requiring technical knowledge or any hard skills, which means you can do it even if you pass from a top college or an ordinary one. You only need a powerful internet connection and a computer to start your work and earn money. Another thing you might require is a good typing speed. However, innumerable spam or fraudulent websites have encountered many innocent people in their trap. That's what we are here for. This is Norbipol TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this. What is copy-paste jobs? Copy-paste jobs require you to copy and paste the information from one given data to another. Predominantly, the employees assigned these jobs are provided with a source, which could be an image, Word document, or Excel sheet. Then your job is to convert the source into another. For instance, you are given a Word document, the company might want you to convert that Word document into a PDF. As simple as that. List of 10 of top-rated copy-paste jobs sites. All the platforms shown in this video follow timely payment options. We recommend you must apply for jobs only from a trusted platform like the ones shown below. 1. Google Careers. Being the biggest search engine, Google is the most transparent platform that can be trusted without a second thought. Isn't it? That's why we have listed Google Careers at the top of our list. All you need to do is search for the type of job you are looking for. For instance, type top-rated online copy-paste job sites. Once you do that, the next step is to enter the role and location and hit the search button. You will get the list of copy-paste job sites. Explore all the results, select any one that meets your requirements, and enter the website to apply for the copy-paste job. It is the best way to fetch the results after comparing all the famous and genuine websites based on multiple factors, including testimonials, brand image, customer reviews, etc. 2. LinkedIn Jobs, one of the most trusted social media platforms that allow millions of individuals to find suitable jobs as per their skills and profession. It is a free job portal available in India that has helped thousands of companies to hire and freelancers to get copy-paste and data entry jobs. This platform offers long-term and short-term copy-paste jobs. All you need to do is register on this magnificent platform and search for your desired job. You can send an invite to connect with the individuals who you seem worthy. You can even search for the jobs straight away on this platform by visiting the jobs section in the dashboard. You can apply the filter of the profession you are seeking to work for, showing you the results/jobs in a similar industry. 3. Upwork, one of the most legitimate websites that enable lakhs of individuals to earn money every day. Upwork gained utmost recognition in India. The platform is an excellent marketplace for freelancers. In addition, it is also opted by numerous people who are interested in the long-term side hustle game and do not want to quit their full-time job. Once you register your account to this platform, which is absolutely free, you might need to spend some money to apply for multiple job offers. As you require connects to apply for any job on this platform. The connects are redeemed based on the job and its payout. On average, 3 to 4 connects are needed when you apply for any short-term job. The good part is you get free connects every month so that you can apply to new copy-paste and other companies in case all your connects are utilized and you do not want to spend more to buy them. The more hours you work, the more money you make. As simple as that. You can earn easily around $300 to $400 a month if you work every day for 4 to 5 hours. However, it is possible only when you are doing your work skillfully. 4. People per hour. The UK-based company People Per Hour is an online platform helping various job seekers around the globe to enable find an appropriate work-from-home job based on their proficiency. It is one of the best freelancing websites and is primarily known for offering writing and translation jobs. Although you will get copy-paste jobs here, you can easily apply for them to earn great money. You will get 15 proposals per month for free. With those proposals, you can apply for the jobs and avail the key to earning a regular monthly income. The lucrative platform offers you an opportunity to earn up to $10 to $20 per day, depending upon what type of work you are looking for and your expertise. You can apply for any job you are looking for without paying anything if you are lucky enough to get selected. As their recruiting team conducts the screening process, having specific criteria based on which they allow new accounts to be registered with them. If your account matches their requirements, you can get selected to register your account on People Per Hour. Otherwise, it may get rejected, and you need to opt for some different platform to find copy-paste or other similar jobs. It is recommended to create a detailed portfolio before applying for jobs on this platform to increase the chances of you getting hired. 5. Freelancer. Freelancers is a Sydney-based company founded in 2009 and is one of the best marketplaces for job seekers. It's a worldwide crowd-based outsourcing platform that helps thousands of people to find copy-paste and data entry jobs. The platform is best known for making plentiful money online and is an Upwork alternative. The best part is that it allows the applicants to search the copy-paste jobs for free. Freelancer provides you with 6 free bids per month. 1 bid is used to apply for 1 job. That means 6 bids enable you to apply for 6 jobs. You can apply for more jobs. However, you need to buy more bids by purchasing a membership. 6. Fiverr. Fiverr is a terrific place where you can grab a decent portion of money every month by completing the copy-paste jobs tasks. The best part about Fiverr is that the process of selection does not take a long time, unlike other platforms, verifying you for selling. Primarily, you need to create a gig to get work proposals from clients. If your gig intrigues them, you will likely get a work proposal. So, it all depends upon how well you presented your gig on the platform. You can even your friends or acquaintances know to share your gig to find a suitable job for you soon. There are many clients on Fiverr looking for freelancers who can complete copy-paste jobs tasks. So, get you hands-on with this magnificent platform and build a compelling gig. You can even check how to create a perfect gig for Fiverr from its dashboard. It will guide you in the best possible ways. 7. ClickIndia. Searching for a copy-paste job and still not finding a site that can help you earn immensely? ClickIndia is the answer to your question if you are looking for one. It is a competent classified site where advertisers run free and paid ads to find suitable candidates for the jobs. But on the other hand, the platform works best for job seekers by facilitating them to find a preferred job as per their proficiency. However, before you get hired and start working for an advertiser, the applicant must verify the advertiser's account. ClickIndia will not be responsible if you do not get any payment for the job done. 8. Guru. Guru is a platform where you can find dozens of copy-paste jobs online. The best part about the platform is that you can create your account and find a job as per your skills for free. Isn't that what you were looking for? The process of posting the job on this platform is hassle-free, which means either you are an employer or a freelancer, you can post the job and outsource your freelancing work easily. Being a freelancer, whatever job you are searching for, you need to set appropriate filters for a specific job you are looking for. For instance, if you are looking for copy-paste jobs, on Guru, you just need to apply for a filter listing copy-paste jobs. It will only show you the jobs related to a similar profession. 9. Flex Jobs. Finding a lucrative job opportunity. Flex Jobs is another worthy site that can help you find online copy-paste jobs without investing in daily payment. Flex Jobs is ideal for you if you are looking for remote jobs, part-time jobs, and freelancing jobs. Plus, It will provide you an opportunity to work with top-rated companies, including Apple, Dell, Microsoft, Salesforce, PwC, and more. Although it is a free platform. However, you can also opt for its premium version to apply to multiple jobs. To buy its subscription, you need to spend $24.95 each month. The best part about the platform is that it provides all the users with a 30-day money-back guarantee and dedicated customer support. How cool! 10. Megatypers. Megatypers is not a freelancing website. Instead, it is a platform that helps you grab lucrative opportunities from various job providers, brands, and government organizations to thousands of individuals across India. If you want to make money by working for a copy-paste job online, this platform is ideal for you. You will get complete data entry and copy-paste jobs on this site. The best part is that you will get timely payouts as soon as the month is completed. The payment is made through UPI or directly in bank accounts in the first week of the following month. The platform is mainly opted by students looking to earn a living and meet their daily expenditures. It allows you to earn up to $120 to $180 per month, depending upon your experience and the number of hours you invest each day to complete the copy-paste tasks. Hope you enjoy the video and you can start earning money now by copy and paste. This is Noorbipol TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.